Why Deaton Builders is different. Hiring the wrong contractor. That can cost you time, money, and your sanity. At Deaton Builders, we do things differently. First and foremost, we protect and respect your property. We offer full drafting and design services, a detailed cost breakdown, not ballpark guesses, and step-by-step guidance from start to finish. We're not just another contractor, we're your partner in building the home you've been planning for. Serving Trinity, Archdale, Thomasville, and surrounding areas, we're the builder people trust when they want it done right. Call us or visit our website for more details.